Lo que le digo yo que porque le echa todo eso no se lo va a comer. Yo comemos la carne así mucho. No, es que ya no está bien.
¿Ya habías acabado?
Ya, bueno, lo que me rosa con el robot le dije. Ahí estaba tragando queso, estaba comiendo el tamal de lo que me estaba.
What's that for?
To have babies.
Oh, yeah.
Y se lo saca al
What?
To have the babies.
Voy a echar con manzana. Le voy a echar con un plato.
It doesn't hurt the baby? Does it hurt the baby?
No. Where is he? Oh, right there.
Right there. How could you not see him? He was like right in front of you. I was shooting stuff. I shot a dog over there. It just went flying.
They're best friends, these two little ones. These two aren't.
That's easy to tell.
These two are fighters.
Which one?
This one and that one.
The one that he got, Odita?
This gray one. And the parakeet up there. This one.
Except the baby?
No, that's the 5-year-old. She's almost 6, I think.
Oh, okay. Oh,
See how
it's
her-
kid, I thought that one was a baby. Porque not gonna see. I thought I couldn't find the baby. I thought that was that one.
She's like 6 years old.
All right, so tell me again. That's a fighter. That's that little one right there. How about him?
By the yellow bird?
Yeah, like no, that one right there, right here, right there.
These two right here are fighters.
All right, and how, the other two aren't?
The other two are boys and these two are girls. I don't know.
Oh hell no.
They're getting their butt kicked.
Now this one right here, that's a bitch right there.
No.
He just put some of them in the water.
Huh. Still ate it.
They're definitely scared. Look at them. They're right over there.
Yeah. Still taking the food. Take the food. She's gonna bite me.
That bitch is big over there.
It's a boy.